my first listening party.
It's another vibe, it's another type of experience.
Well, I think for the COVID-19 we prefer the silent party.
Silent party. It's a unique kind of party.
It's an awesome event.
No, I prefer a silent party so I can easily make calls and do other things, not like noise like that. It is noiseless.
You have to communicate.
I love the fact that I can feel my vibes right in my head. I can dance the way I want it, you know. Nobody will judge me if I don't know how to dance because I don't know what I'm listening to. So I can do whatever I want to do. I'm having fun. I love the whole idea. I'm so happy to be part of the project. Happy to be a sponsor. And as you can see, we have Dubai Africa everywhere because we are one of the major sponsors, and we are looking forward to actually doing this again here in the OPIC.
That's the best man on the bar right now. We got some mixtures, nobody.
I think I will choose normal party because this can go, you can get bored, you'll get bored. I feel you'll get bored, but this is very nice, it's a good idea, and it's my first time. So I just want to have a try and see how it goes. But I think I'll like it.
Boss, silent. I like it.
We're having a good time.
From what I'm seeing right now, this is my first time here in this kind of event. It's easier compared to when you're in other party where the noise is just booming, music just booming. Based on my own experience, I'm not saying that's how it is generally, it's just based on my own experience. This is actually a lot more easier.
Madame Chagel, taking cry for to roll your deal. I'm waiting there, your body.
Your body, now your body. Everything go up for to roll your foot.
Why they fear now? Why they
Only 2 crores. I'm wasting time. Victor.
Pass me the ganja. When you run up the receiver, let it go, come, let it go, come, in the Don't sitting in the corner. I'm boys on number. I'm working no father. Going to the corner. Going to the father. I'm boys on number. Awele, what bad on?
Okay, you bet.
If your boyfriend call me 1 minute, anything you want to say, even the bees, even the bees, even the bees. Anything you want, I will give you in a switch. Turn me on, like a switch. I'll be a winner, you'll be my wish. I go talk, you say make I do. I go beat, you say make I do. I go do, I go do. I'm all you're so nice, you're so nice. Hey, you're so nice in this world. Yes. I want to dance with you, buddy. Anything you want, I say Manchester, show them why united. And to be not acting back united. That's it. Oh, tennis, Jesse. Chauffeur, my baby, Jesse. Motion shake here. Mr. Mehdi, we gonna rock the show. Hey, pretty girl with the sexy soji. The way you the cock, you know, shall let me tell. Let me go spend
Keep watching Plug TV. My name is Ifoma.
Yes, so my name is Tolu, Dubai, Africa, and I just want to shout out to Plug TV Live.
Shout out to Plug TV, Plugs.